Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, unpacking the wildest market moves. I'm Mitchell, and today we're laser focused on Aimei Health Technology Co. Ltd., ticker AFJK, on NASDAQ. SPAC hunters, this blank check play just detonated. The New York based shell company hunting biopharma and medtech mergers is erupting on December 9th, 2025. Shares rocketed from Friday's $8 close to an intraday high of $101.60, closing at $88.50, a staggering 1,006% surge on 6.7 million shares volume, dwarfing its average. Year-to-date gains now top 727% flipping from December 3rd's 52-week low of $6.75. Fueling the fire? No fresh catalyst, but traders eye its signed merger with United Hydrogen, approved by shareholders yet repeatedly extended. Yesterday, AFJK pushed its business combo deadline to January 6, 2026, the 13th extension, with a $34,000 trust deposit via sponsor note. Q3 earnings showed $352,000 net income from trust interest, but a $2.75 million working capital hole signals liquidity strains. Volatility is nuclear. At $50 million market cap, one wrong turn means liquidation risk if no deal by deadline. Merger moonshot or SPAC trap? Sound off below, like if you're riding, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for daily dives. Bell on. More fireworks tomorrow. Stay sharp. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. We'll see you in the next one.